How to turn on acceptable ads on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on acceptable ads on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then just click here, this one, and now click here, settings, and then just go down until you find here ad blocking and click on it. And now you'll find here this one, acceptable ads, and just click on it, one click, and as you see acceptable ads has been turned on. And that's how to turn on acceptable ads on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.